Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best wireless communication leads using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So step one, we're going to select our targeting. We're going to start with small businesses. We're going to lock in a location. Today we're going to go to Cincinnati, Ohio. And Cincinnati is a pretty big city, so I'm just going to extend the range to about 25 miles. I'm going to add that and hit next to lock it in. For industries, we're looking at wireless communications today. Wireless communication. And with our new Coldlytics 2.0, we have the sanity check, so you can actually click on the businesses and see if this is the type of business you want for your lead sheet. So I'm just going to add that here, and I'm going to hit next to lock it in. And then for seniority levels, we're going to do owners and founders, and we're also going to do directors and executives. We are targeting the owner, but just in case the owner has a C-suite title, it'll cover for that case. So next to lock it in, and that's it for our targeting. So for our first filter, we have 3 today that we're going to apply. We're going to do my favorite one, which is Google review. I'm going to just set this between 3 and a 5 for the score, and we're going to ignore the count. But basically, this just single out the way. We are only targeting the companies that have a good reception with their customers and clients. And the benefit for you is that these are just going to be easier companies to work with if you acquire them as a client. So I'm going to hit next to lock that in. The next filter we're going to add is we're going to add a franchise filter here. If I'm targeting this for a lead sheet, I'm just scared we might get some we might get some T-Mobiles or Verizons, and we don't want T-Mobiles or Verizons as they probably already have, they're already working with marketing companies, and they're probably just like on a different level. So I'm going to exclude franchises and national chains, excluding T-Mobile and excluding like Verizon. And with that, I'm going to hit next, lock it in, and finally we're gonna add a page speed filter, and we just don't want to work with anybody whose website is too fast because they probably already have an SEO team behind them. And you want to deal with somebody who, again, the benefit to you is that you don't want to have to try to like compete for somebody's business with like another firm that they're already working with. You want to build a relationship from start, so you don't have a client that's constantly comparing you to the next person. That being said, I'm going to hit next to lock it in, and I'm going to go on to deliver. I'm just going to reset my metrics here. As this is more of like a marketing, this is more of a, and as I'm coming at this more from the perspective of a digital marketer looking for wireless communication companies. I'm gonna select all the metrics, but I really want to focus on the Google review score, Google review count, GMB profile, and claimed. I'm gonna ignore direct dial as it costs extra money. I really want all of these companies' social media profiles. Revenue, headcount, and data salvage are really important metrics if you're trying to like sell a product to another company. But in this case, we're a digital marketing agency, so of course we're going to want these ad pixels. We're going to want our Google Analytics data. E-commerce and WordPress is also pretty useful, as well as page speed, which we're already filtering by. But this will just give you a range and show you the exact page speed of each company. And search term, location, and position are all SEO related fields, so very important to marketers. So with that being said, I'm going to hit next. I'm going to lock that in. And then we don't need any additional notes, so I'm going to finish off. Make sure to give your task a title and set your required contacts, and just save a draft before you launch it in case you have to go back and edit it. You're not starting from scratch. So I'm going to hit launch, and this will bring us back out to our task overview. Our task is allocating now, which means that it will be ready within 24 hours. And with that being said, this is how you find the best wireless communication companies using Coldlytics. So thank you so much, guys, and I hope you have a great day. See ya.